All right, everyone, quick video update for you here as we head towards the 5 o'clock hour. We'll try to make this one a little quicker than the last update video. Current situation, we have a winter storm warning for our entire viewing area, all 4 or 5 counties of it, winter weather advisories in the counties immediately to our west and to our southeast. This winter storm warning goes through midday tomorrow. Radar's still quiet here locally. All right, everyone, another quick update for you. We'll try to make this one a little quicker than the last one. As we head towards the 5 o'clock hour, let's show you what we have going on. Winter storm warning now in effect for the entire WFMJ viewing area, Columbiana, Mahoning, Trumbull, Lawrence, and Mercer. Winter weather advisories for the counties to our west and the counties to our southeast. The winter storm warning runs until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The radar is still quiet locally, but precipitation continues to creep off to the north. You'll have no problems on the roads over the next few hours. Our problems start roughly after 8 o'clock and especially after 9, 10 o'clock. I do think that conditions will deteriorate fairly rapidly overnight. Even though it's not going to be that cold, precipitation is going to come down heavily, and that means that it'll start to stick on things pretty efficiently as we go through the overnight. So here's the general timeline. Precipitation pushing in this evening, and I'll stop the clock here tomorrow morning as you get up. Some people early risers, maybe up around 6 o'clock, and I think for most of us this is a heavy wet snow continuing. I can't rule out a little mixed precipitation still ongoing south and east of Youngstown. Everyone should see the precipitation end as snow around midday tomorrow, and then we'll get a chance to clean up tomorrow afternoon. It'll actually be above freezing tomorrow afternoon, and that will aid in the cleanup efforts during the second half of the day. So as far as the precipitation type, a real mixed bag in the far southeastern part of our viewing area. This is mostly wet snow, though, for kind of the central part of our viewing area. And then the snow, while still pretty wet, will likely not contain any sleet whatsoever in the lighter blue area. If you're in the purple area, wouldn't be surprised if you heard a little sleet mixing with the snow for a time. But it could be sleet and snow and freezing rain and plain rain for a time in the pink area from east of Liverpool up towards maybe Grove City. That's the zone where there could be just a real mixed bag for a time tonight. That's why snow accumulations in that zone will be a little less than the rest of the region, but I've made some adjustments to the snow map. Told you this would happen. Told you we'd have to adjust things as new data comes in. We have a bigger area of 8 to 12 now in the purple, including most of Trumbull, most of Mercer, a good chunk of Mahoning, and the western part of Columbiana. 4 to 8 in the darker blue, and 2 to 4 in the lighter blue in the far southeast. Now, really want you to focus on the impacts here rather than if your backyard gets 6 inches or 9 inches or 5 inches. That's less important than the impacts, and the impacts will be significant across our region. I do think that there'll be a ton of school adjustments, of course, with this type of a storm. Roads and travel, if you don't have to be out and about tonight and into tomorrow morning, just stay home. Let the road crews do their job. Stay out of their way. I don't want to emphasize this too much, but I can't totally rule out some power outage issues with the heavy, wet nature of the snow, perhaps weighing on tree limbs, power lines, that sort of thing. Also, there's an outside chance of some freezing rain for a time in the southeastern part of our viewing area. And again, I don't expect a lot of problems, but I can't totally rule out a few issues with power. Some of the other impacts, again, the ice, particularly Lawrence County, southeastern parts of Columbiana. The snow will be a really high impact deal for 90 to 95% of our viewing area. We'll do a special weather for Weather Geeks this evening, all about the storm with updated radars and everything else you need to know. And we'll do these shorter videos as well. And of course, I'll keep you posted on social media. Twitter, the best way to keep all the information straight. Facebook kind of rearranges things sometimes in the feed. But nonetheless, if you want to follow me on Facebook and you aren't already, make sure to put meteorologist in front of my name. Stay safe out there tonight. And again, keep you updated throughout the evening, including on 21 News at 6.